In today's video, we're putting Siyamthanda Tame up against Yanda Woods in a head-to-head wealth battle to see who's really living the biggest soft life. We'll be judging this battle in 3 rounds: cars, traveling and lifestyle, and careers and social media influence. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into it.
Round 1. Cars.
Round 1, we'll be looking at what they're driving, because let's be honest, cars says a lot about someone's lifestyle. Starting with Siyamthanda, she currently owns 2 cars. First up is a Mercedes-Benz A-Class, a clean and classy hatchback that perfectly matches her influencer aesthetic. This car is estimated to be worth around 300,000 rands. The second car is a Jayco, which is estimated to cost around 400,000 rands. This brings Siyamthanda's total car collection value to approximately 700,000 rand. Not too flashy, but definitely stylish and practical. Now on to Yanda Woods, and this is where things start heating up. Yanda owns a white Porsche 718 Boxster convertible, a sporty luxury car that screams soft life. This beauty is estimated to be worth around 995,000 rands. But she doesn't stop there. Her second car is a black Porsche Cayenne, a powerful luxury SUV estimated to cost around 2 million rands. That brings Yanda Woods' total car collection value to roughly 3 million rands. Oh nah, that's crazy. Round 1, winner goes to Yanda Woods. With high-end Porsche energy, Yanda clearly takes this round. Now let's go to round 2. Traveling and lifestyle. And one thing these two women have in common is that they love good things in life. When you check Siyamthanda's Instagram, it's clear she's a big fan of local luxury. She absolutely loves Cape Town, from beach days to city views, and she's also traveled to Mozambique, just to name a few destinations. Her travel content gives off a relaxed, aesthetic vibe, beautiful views, calm energy, and enjoying the moment. Yanda Woods, on the other hand, is very much on her international girl era. She has traveled to Brazil, Switzerland, France, and of course Cape Town, among other places. Her content often shows luxury hotels, international streets, and high-end experiences. On top of that, Yanda is also known for her love of sneakers. She's always showing off her impressive sneaker catalog, which adds another expensive layer to her lifestyle. Round 2 winner, Yanda Woods still. More international travel and luxury experiences give her the edge again. Now we move to the final round, which is round 3. So in this round, we'll be looking at what they do for a living and their social media influence. Starting with Siyamthanda. Siyamthanda is a full-time influencer and a YouTuber. She earns her money through YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, mainly by working with big brands. She has 233,000 YouTube subscribers, with most of her videos pulling over 100,000 views. She also has 586,000 followers on Instagram and over 300,000 followers on TikTok. Her consistency and strong engagement make her a very attractive partner for brands. Yanda Woods also earns through brand partnerships on social media, working with companies that want exposure to her audience. She's also a co-host on a Spreading Humor podcast alongside Zille Wizzy and Sima, which adds another income stream and expands her influence beyond social media. Her numbers include 472,000 followers on Instagram and over 260,000 followers on TikTok. Round 3 winner, it's a close call this one, but Yanda's podcast plus social media presence gives her a slight advantage. So now, let's give the final verdict. Who's richer? After 3 intense rounds, the winner of this world battle is Yanda Woods. From luxury cars and international travel to multiple income streams, Yanda Woods takes this one. However, Siyamthanda Tame is still doing incredibly well and continues to grow her brand every year. Now it's your turn. Who do you think lives the best life? Did we get the winner right? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.